Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi, legal intern from team LEXIS and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. I hope you like my previous video. Please like, share, comment on my videos and subscribe our channel LEXCLIQ for getting latest updates. In the previous video, the part 1 of the topic good governance and the fundamental rights, I have discussed the three major points of the topic good governance and the fundamental rights. The remaining points of the topic good governance and the fundamental rights are discussed in this video. So let's start and complete our topic good governance and fundamental rights in this video, the part 2. The fourth point of the topic good governance and fundamental rights are the core characteristics of the good governance. There are many characteristics of this topic good governance are discussed below. First, participation. All women and men should have a voice in decision making either directly or through legitimate intermediate institutions that represent their interest. Such broad participation is built on freedom of association and speech as well as capacities to participate constructively. Second, rule of law. Legal framework should be fair and enforced impartially, particularly the laws on human rights. Third, characteristic transparency. Transparency is built on the free flow of information. Processes, institutions, and information are directly accessible to those concerned with them, and enough information is provided to understand and monitor these informations. Fourth, responsiveness. Institutions and processes try to serve all stakeholders with a responsive behaviors. Fifth, consensus orientation. Good governance mediates differing interests to reach a broad consensus on what is the best interest of the group and where possible on the policies and procedures. The sixth characteristics is equity. All men and women have opportunities to improve maintain their well-being and treated equally in the society. Sixth characteristic is effectiveness and efficiency. Processes and institutions produce results that meet needs while making the best use of resources that efficient and effective to all the sections of the society. Seventh, accountability. Decision makers in government, the private sector and the civil society organizations are accountable to the public as well as to the institutional stakeholders. The accountability differs depending on the organizations and whether decision internal or external to the organization. The final characteristic is strategic vision. Leaders and the public have a broad and long-term perspective on good governance and human development, along with a sense of what is needed for such development. There is also an understanding of the historical, cultural, and social complexities in which the perspective is grounded. Now we discuss the final point of the topic good governance and fundamental rights as the suggestions and the conclusions of the above discussed theory. The control of all higher and technical education, including vocational education and training, government should only concentrate from KG to class 10th. License Raj in education to go should school drop rate is 94%. Rupees 50,000 crores per year is repatriated for the Indian student studying abroad. 65% of the Indians live in rural India. The average Indians earn about $1.66 per day as per the World Bank. The poverty line threshold with US dollar 1 per day per person. Now the same has been revised to US dollar 2 per day per head because of the central as well as state governments have various schemes to benefit the poor, needy and down to earth pupils. It is estimated that such funds hardly reach the people for whom this is meant. The total sum under the schemes amount rupees 36,000 crores per year or rupees 3,000 crores per month, nearly 100 crores rupees per day. Experiments conducted in some blocks in the state of Gujarat have shown that investing about 1 rupees 1 lakh per year is possible to organize the channeling of nearly 100 lakhs fund meant for the poor and needy. The actual case study deserves the highest attention. Second, the drinking water disinfection at the rate of 5 NP for the 100 liters of water. CSR prevention is better than cure. It is much more economical providing cleaning water rather than the curing the people afterwards when they are sick. Local solutions available. The above discussion, it should be clear that the good governance is an ideal which is difficult to achieve. It's in totally very few countries and societies have come close to achieving good governance in its totally. However, to ensure sustainable human development actions must be taken to work towards this ideal and the aim of making a reality. Thank you so much. I hope that you like and understand the topic of good governance and fundamental rights. Please like, share, comment on this video and subscribe our channel LEXCLIQ for getting latest updates. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay tuned. Have a nice day.